out on shipless oceans, I did all my best to smile, till your singing eyes and fingers drew me loving to your isle. And you sang, sail to me, let me enfold you. Here I am, waiting to hold you. Did I dream you dreamed about me? Were you hair when I was fox? Now my foolish boat is leaning, broken lovelorn on your rocks. For you sing, touch me not, come back tomorrow. Oh my heart shies from the sorrow. I am puzzled as the oyster, I am troubled as the tide. Should I stand amid your breakers, or should I lie with death my bride? Hear me sing, swim to me, let me enfold you. Here I am, waiting to hold